Hello children, now can you tell what you can see in the picture? Yes, you can see the plants and you can see the many types of plant. All the plants are different. So today we are going to study the lesson number 14, plants around us. So before we start the studying about the plants, we should know the parts of a plant. You can see this is the plant that you have already drawn in your notebooks. This you have labeled also. This is leaf, the green part of the plant, the fruit, and the attractive part is flower. This is the stem and root. The plant grows from the seed, and when the seed grows, first the root come out from the seed and thereafter the shoot. The part that is above the ground, जो ऊपर होता है ground का, that is the shoot part, and below the ground is root. Now we will see the function of a stem. The stem can be green or brown colored. The stem supports the plant and other parts of the plant. And in some plant the stem stores the food. कुछ plants में क्या करते हैं, stem food store करता है, and we eat the stem of the plant. Earlier आपको लगा कि potato is the fruit. No, potato is the stem. Potato and ginger, they are the stem of the plant. And also sugarcane, bamboo shoots, spring onion, they are the stems that we eat. Now this is the leaf. Leaves are green in color. They make the food for the plant. But we eat some leaves also. No, we eat the leaves of some plant. You can see spinach, lettuce, cabbage. इस plants में हम लोग क्या खाते हैं, उसका leaf part खाते हैं. And also we eat some more leaves, many leaves, methi, coriander. In this plant we eat the leaf. Now, and mainly तो we eat the fruit of plants. ठीक है, fruit as food. Mango, orange, apple, grapes, banana, pineapple, these are the fruits that we eat from the plant. And we eat the fruits of some plants as vegetables. You can see brinjal, ladyfinger, gourd. We eat the fruit of some plant as vegetables. And now you can see the flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. The flowers mainly attract the insects like bees, butterfly. इनको attract करते हैं because they are very beautiful. तो these flowers attract the insects towards them. And in some plant we eat the flowers. Yes, we eat the flower. Example, broccoli है, cauliflower है, we eat the flowers as food. Also, when the plants grow from a seed, when we sow the seed, the plants come out. But we eat seeds also. हम लोग seeds भी खाते हैं कुछ plants में. Yes, we eat. You want to see? Yes, we eat the seeds. As pulse, we use them as pulses. Example, beans, kidney beans, gram, peas. These are the seeds that we eat, and you can see these seeds in your kitchens. Cereals, all the pulses, they all are seeds that we eat. And also the spices, we eat them as spices also. Example, ajwain seed, black cumin seed, pepper seed, coriander seed, etc.
Let us see the different types of plants. There are basically 5 types of plants, namely herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants we are going to discuss in this video. So let us start with herbs. They are very small plants. Their stem is very soft and green. They can stand erect. Let us see some pictures of herbs. Spinach, mint, coriander, grass. These are the examples of herbs. Now let us see about shrubs. They are taller than the herbs. They are bushy plants. They have hard and woody stems. They have thin branches. Let us see some examples of shrubs. Rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus. Now let us see about the climbers. They have weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. Let us see some examples of climbers. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Now let us see creepers. They grow along the ground. They have weak stems. They crawl and creep as they have big and heavy fruits. Let us see some examples of creepers. Pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. Now let us focus on trees. They are big plants. They are very strong. They live for many years. They have many branches. They have hard and woody stem called trunk. Let us see the examples of some of the trees which we see in our surrounding. Banyan tree, mango tree.
Now let us see the uses of plants. The trunk of a tree gives us wood, and wood is used to make furnitures. The furnitures they are made from wood. Flowers are used for puja and decoration purposes, and trees are the homes of some animals. Perfumes are made from plants like rose, jasmine. Medicines are made from plants. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Tea is made from tea leaves. Coffee is made from coffee seeds. Our cloth is made from cotton